Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the brand new video. Today I'm at the same locations and this is a different area this time. I'm gonna go this way, all the way through. So I'm gonna be a different video, different location. So let's see where it's gonna take me and let's get into the video. And hopefully guys, really enjoyed this crazy video I made yesterday. Went to that abandoned place, building. It was so cool. It's called Wood with Wood. Okay, that was a good video I made yesterday. Go check it out right now. So link down below as well. As always, let's get into the video. Let's see what's down here and let's get this done. Alright guys, we are going this way now, so let's see what we can find here around this area. So, I never came here before, so this part really never been a place to be here. So I never came here before, so we can chill here for a bit. And we go all the way through for this, for the help it's going to take me. So let's get through it right now. Let's see where we're going now. Anyway, this is a really fantastic day ever, so hopefully we can go down here to trade one. Trade one. So we'll continue going straight all the way through. So let's see where the hell I'm going right now for this area. This is another freaking place to go. So it is a fantastic day. It is nice and dry. Hopefully it is rain today. If it is rain, it will be failed. I don't want that happen. I don't want that happen, so I'm going to continue recording and see. Let's see what we can find here around here. So it is a cool place to be here. An awesome area to be. Anyway, let's continue. I don't know what's down here, so let's find out guys. Yeah. So I've never been there before, so let's see where they had I'm gonna go to. And it is something I to be here. I'm not gonna be here too long, so I'm just gonna do exploring, do some video, recording videos all over the place, so I'm not gonna do that. So just want to see what is down here. Alright. Oh, there's another bridge down there I can see from here. Let me show you guys, let me zoom in. There's a bridge right there. All the way there. There's a bridge. So there's a bridge over there. Let's go to it. Cool place to be. Awesome. There's no abandoned civil place. Warehouse. People working in here right now. So I'm not going to go there at all. Yep. A fantastic view of the water. Yeah. I don't know where this pump can go. So let's see where it's gonna take me here. So yeah. The last time we came here because it was all the way at the back. The other side of the bridge. I have to go forward and further to all this town. So I'm gonna keep that for next part 2. So I think this is a part 2. Yeah, this is a part 2 video. The another video will be part 3 very soon. Stay tuned for that one. I'm gonna continue going straight. Alright, let's see how far I can go from here. I don't know. Can have someone here, but anyway, people are black. It is an amazing place. Amazing. I'm here all by myself again. That's weird. Never meant to come by myself. It's kind of weird. Anyway, I'm gonna continue. Alright, where are we going? I have no clue guys. So we'll go for the bridge again. Let's see what's up to that. What's down there? There's a little tree broken up. Alright, let's go to the further into the bridge. And let's see what's down here. Oh, we 5 minutes already recording. Damn. Alright. Oh well. Let's see what we have here guys. Anyway, yeah. There's a bunch of mud and water here, so I'm not gonna step on and get my shoes dirty. I'm just gotta clean. Man, it's not clean today anyway. Oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. The shoes dirty. That is not a good sign. Bad sign. Yeah. Anyway, let's continue. Let's see how far we can go from here. So, there's a lot of mud here. You can see guys. So walk on the side, out the side. Then we get my shoes dirty. Heads up. But it's dirty anyway. So, that's fast enough. So now, let's have a look. It's down here. What is down here guys? Nothing much, it's just a woods forest. a bit faster and have a look here, guys, before going further into the bridge. Yeah, guys, it's nothing out. This is nothing out of. Nothing. So let's head back and hold it. So let's go back to this area, go back and continue with continue walking to the bridge. Let's head out now. There's nothing here, guys. Ow! Son of a gun. Hello, ducks. How are you doing today? You gonna watch ducks? Alright, guys. Oh yeah, I know where I am now. I've been here before. Now this bridge, this area, over here. Let's see, show exit. Okay. Alright, guys. Thank you for seeing down. So security's here, guys. Oh, can you show another bridge down? There's the stairs. These stairs right there. Let's continue, guys. Let's see where's this. Let's see where's this is taking me right now. Oh, so cool artwork, guys. Okay, let me have a look at it, guys. Let me have a look. What page you know? Before 84. Good. Almost done, you guys. Now then, just go ahead and it. So next time, guys, going back to the place and go back to the abandoned building. I've filmed the whole building, so get ready for that one. And thank you guys for the views. I've made a short video, guys. If you have found the abandoned building, go check it out, guys. It's really awesome. And I did a quick music on the. I did a music a quick one. And all these people really enjoying the video, so guys, go check it out right now. We made it onto the bridge. There's a cool artwork down there with a bird and a flower, and the reality space. And we're all here. Let me shut down. Yeah, we go on. Yeah, we go on to there. No choice. Safe. Very foolish. But there, guys. Safe. It was down here. Oh, flash. Guys, just continue going straight. Okay. Nice artwork. How cool is this? Nice. Wonderful area. Yes. I will find it. Now go all the way down here. I didn't open one out. So guys, so we head back where we came from. Oh, we're going back there. So guys, let's do a little bit of exploring. Let's see what's down there. There's another bridge down here, and it's there. Then after that, we'll have to go back, take a shot. So guys, we made it to the bridge. Like a big bridge. That's only bridge. 82 bridge. Now guys, all the way up. Let's see what's down here before we go up there. Let's see, we did finish too. 82. Oh, fast. Another bridge? Man, how many bridges are there? What the fuck am I? The place. Oh, we all know what I'm not doing here. Alright. Alright guys, let's go upstairs. Let's see where the hell am I. Oh, I see another person right there. Really won't stream. Walking this way now. The person. Then we'll go up the stairs. What's up here? Up here. If not, well guys, this is it. I'm gonna stop recording here. Head back where I came from. I have to go all the way down there. Oh shit. Oh my god. After walking it again. Oh god damn it. So I'm going to the bridge, under the video there. Yeah, let's go guys. So weird man. Let's go to this. That was fast. Okay guys. Continuing ways. The people, the place. Okay, this is our first step. Gosh. No, I'm going to go all the way down, all the way straight. Oh. Alright, let's end the video here, guys. Alright, guys. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for one more video. Then next time we'll go to the other side, continue going straight to part 2. This is part 2. The next one is part 2 again. So we'll continue going to the other side. So this side we'll continue going to the other side as well. And where this can go to. So on that note, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for one more video like this. Guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.